Welcome to Magecmoon, home of innovative and mesmerizing levitating product. Magecmoon is the brand of Hengyi Technology Limited Company in China. Our passion for magnetic levitation has propelled us to become a leading factory in this field for over 25 years. We take great pleasure crafting exceptional levitating products, such as our levitating pot, moon lamp, levitation speaker, and display, bringing breathtaking moments into your life and business. All our products are CE RoHS and UL certified to ensure no restrictions when selling to any market. Magecmoon provides customized services tailored to your unique requirements. Our skilled engineers and designers collaborate closely with you to bring your ideas to fruition. We pride ourselves on offering only top-quality levitation products and services at a reasonable rate. Magecmoon specializes in custom levitating products to bring magic into your daily life. With over 25 years of experience in the levitation technology industry, we take great pride in being at the forefront of levitation technology development. Magecmoon boasts an outstanding R&D department with more than 200 product patents worldwide, making us your partner in levitating technology. We look forward to working together and realizing your vision using levitation as magic.